What's going on, my LTD squad out there? It's your boy LouTheTieDude, and I want to welcome those new to my channel, and those that have already been watching my channel, welcome back. I want to apologize for not being able to get back with all of you for almost 2 years. I'm usually at school. This is my senior year. I'm about to graduate in a few months. Right now I'm still in high school and getting my plans ready, getting ready for college, and maybe and hopefully maybe the military if I'm desired to do that. And the reason why I said welcome back, well, welcome back once again. I haven't been making videos recently, and I sincerely want to apologize for not being able to do that. In the summer of 2017, I wasn't able to upload any videos, make a new Thai tutorial, for maybe for a few reasons. I think I know two. My first reason is that three reasons. Around three reasons. My first reason was that I was in summer school and I didn't have the time to make tutorials. And the second reason is that I traveled to the East Coast in the summer of last year. I was in the state of Virginia. I flew here from West Texas all the way to Atlanta, Georgia, and then from Atlanta, Georgia, I flew all the way to Washington D.C. And then we had family members that live in the state of Virginia. Yes, and I also went to Maryland, the state of Maryland as well. The ocean was pretty nice. The Atlantic Ocean is what got me really much. I was wanting to get out. It's too salty. But yeah, then when I got back from the East Coast trip, I was already out of it. I wasn't able to make a video. Technically, once again, I was already out of it. So yeah, those are my three reasons why I wasn't able to make videos. So you can see, once again, I was in summer school when I did my East Coast trip with my family, visited new family members there, and then I was already out of it. I wasn't able to make any more videos for you guys. And but as you can see, that in late November, around late November of 2017, I moved to a new house. So as you can see, all the stuff I got right there. There's the map of America. There's the map of the world right there. Yep. Map of the world. And then that's my closet right here. So yeah, as you can see, I have a lot of stuff. I have a new room. That's the picture of me when I was in piano back in 2013-2014 school year in middle school. Sorry about the background noise that's going on right now. We're currently watching the Super Bowl 52, the Eagles versus the Patriots. If you guys don't know, if you guys are not into NFL, but if you are, let you know. I don't know if it's either New England getting on top of Philadelphia or vice versa. So we'll find out who gets the title. As you can see, I got my awards up here and all that stuff I got. My new headphones, I got those for Christmas. Those are right there. Yeah, right there. As you can see, these are my school year homecoming mums and my homecoming sash on top right there. I was in the homecoming court. Yes, my first time. And I don't know about you guys. For those of you Cowboys fans out there, yep, that's the poster. I don't know. I wasn't able to see what number Dak Prescott was. So, but please don't judge me. I'm a fan of the Cowboys. I'm so into Dallas, Texas. But as you can see, I did a lot of great things throughout the school year. I was doing the DECA CDC competition, and I passed the district competition. I will be heading out to state in the midst of this month. I will be heading out to Dallas, Texas. Wish me luck, because I'm gonna be taking the test for that competition. Became a district winner. Oh, another thing I wanted to show you guys, forgot to mention, that's my United States Army Junior ROTC uniform. There's been the new updates. I will be making, you can see right there, I will be making a video of some stuff that I might have gotten some factual errors on for this uniform. So, yeah, I will be getting with you guys into that video for you guys. So. Sorry if I'm being kind of repetitive. I kind of like think I'm forgetting some stuff and I'm like being repetitive about it. Yeah. So that should be it for now. I think. But as you can see, I will try to get back with making tight tutorials. It's just that sometimes I don't have the time. Sometimes like when I get back from school, I'm like I don't want to do anything else. Sorry. But then I'm like I have to get into it because it's not all right for that to happen. But yeah, like you see, there's the closet right there. Sorry, I'm kind of forgetting some stuff. You know, I'm like trying to say what I need to remember. So once again, pardon if I'm being kind of repetitive. So yeah, and yeah, and also guys, I will be making. Sorry, I think I already said that. Yeah, like once again, I will be making the Class A United States Army JROTC on like how to tutorial, like how to put your uniform together for those of you newcoming cadets. And for those of you, because we're going to be having our inspection, our JPA's inspection on Tuesday. So just wish us luck on that. I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys in a bit. Right now I'm gonna be recording my United States Army JROTC uniform and getting most of you guys in ROTC squared away, getting ready for most of you guys in inspections. Those of you inspections that have not happened right now. All right. So once again, I apologize for not being able to get back with you guys. I will be getting back with you guys as soon as I can. All right. So peace out, my LTD squad. This is LouTheTieDude signing off.